All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo Christmas gift I just got from a friend. Came in a nice little box, and the Zippo was inside. Now this is the normal Zippo black box inside the Christmas box. This is made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo, and it says open sleigh with gifts. So there is the seasonal Zippo. It says Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. It's on kind of a matte red finish. And you can see it was made in H of 16. Good, really good stampings on this. That is, H is August. Lights up nice. And I think we can do a drop test on this. A lit drop test. Oh, it's got a steel insert. So the sleigh and the gifts passed the drop test, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone out there. Definitely worth a little Christmas cowbell. Knuckle bump.